In many workplaces today, we utilize a variety of hand and power tools to do our job more effectively. The primary purpose of any power tool is to increase the force and energy we can exert to complete a task in a shorter amount of time. These tools aid not only in our productivity, but also in our safety. Table saws are one of the most common tools which appear in many different industries today. A table saw's primary purpose is for the straight sawing, usually of wood. Depending on the type of blade, they typically either cut across or cross-cut, or with the grain of the wood, also called a rip saw. Table saws can provide multiple, precise cuts in a short amount of time. However, this tool can easily injure and even kill you by not being aware of the risks and hazards present. Tens of thousands of injuries occur every year just from table saws alone. Welcome to the Hand and Power Tools 104 Table Saws Safety course. During this training, we will cover the following learning objectives: table saw mechanics, point of operation, kickback and particles, incident prevention.